Okay, what about if you learn right now how to say my name is and I am from, and you say your country, and then you go like, today I started learning Egyptian Arabic because I gotta be in Egypt soon, or I gonna come to Egypt soon. Now this part is what exactly you're gonna learn. So first let's go like my name is. My name is. My name is, we say أنا اسمي. أنا اسمي. أنا اسمي. Okay, see, أنا means I. Ismi, my name. Okay, so you're gonna be asking, why did I use I and my? So which is I and then my name, and then you say the name. Simply you can just say أنا اسمي, or you can just go like اسمي. Both are right. You can go like أنا اسمي, or you can just use the word اسمي, which also means my name. So أنا اسمي, and then you say your name. Okay, then you want to say your nationality or your country you're from. أنا من, and you say your country. أنا من, and then you say your country. Next, you're going to be learning right now how to say, today I started learning Egyptian Arabic. النهاردة بدأت أتعلم مصري. النهاردة بدأت أتعلم مصري. النهاردة means today. بدأت means started. أتعلم, which means to learn. مصري, it's Egyptian. النهاردة بدأت أتعلم مصري. النهاردة بدأت أتعلم مصري. Let's say it together, me and you, okay? Okay, let's start. النهاردة بدأت أتعلم مصري. Well done. Okay. Now I'm gonna be teaching you how to say because I'm coming to Egypt. Because I'm coming to Egypt. Actually, here we have two versions, male version and a female version. Okay. عشان, we're gonna go like for a male version. عشان جاي مصر. عشان جاي مصر. عشان means because. Means because. جاي, coming. It's a way of saying the word coming. مصر, which is Egypt in Arabic. Okay. عشان جاي مصر. عشان جاي مصر. This is how you say if a male who's talking. If you are a male, so you're gonna go like عشان جاي مصر. Can you hear it? Well done. Okay. Now if it's a female, you're gonna go like عشان جاية مصر. عشان جاية مصر. عشان جاية مصر. If you can feel the difference is just in one letter, in one word. Okay? When we're talking as a male, we used to say عشان جاي مصر. Now we are saying عشان جاية مصر. Okay? So let's do a practical example. I'm gonna describe myself to you. أنا اسمي أحمد. أنا اسمي أحمد. أنا من مصر. أنا من مصر. النهاردة بدأت أتعلم مصري. النهاردة بدأت أتعلم مصري. عشان جاي مصر. Okay, got it? It was a very practical issue, and that's all for this part till now. I think that now you can say your name, you can describe where are you from, you can tell people that you started learning Egyptian Arabic today. So let's go to the next part and go deeper and deeper and deeper. Come on, let's go.